Welcome to Curious Kids Every Day. I'm Josh. How are you doing today? It's so good to hear from you. Hey, remember how we launched into space and discovered a treasure chest with 10 empty slots, each one shaped just right for a space rock? We already found the ones from Mercury and Venus, and now it's time to head to the third planet in our solar system. Do you know which one that is? Let's close our eyes and imagine we're back inside the rocket ship. We're getting ready to launch. Are you ready? Say it with me. 3, 2, 1, blast off! Whoa, look out the window. Can you see Earth getting smaller behind us? While we're on this rocket ship, you can call me Captain Curious! Wait, Earth stopped getting smaller. Are we circling around Earth right now? Oh, right. Earth is the third planet from the sun. Earth is our planet. Everything we know and everyone we love lives on this big blue ball. It's beautiful. Close your eyes and imagine you're orbiting around Earth right now. You can see the clouds, the continents, the water. It's amazing. And this is perfect because I got an email from a curious kid named Ryland. He wondered, why is Earth the only planet we can live on? Do you guys want to find out today? Before we do, let's go find the curious container and see what's inside. Okay, we have a really powerful drill. It's very heavy. It kind of looks like maybe it attaches to our ship. Do you know what an ice cream cone looks like? It kind of looks like one of those, but upside down. Then we have a really hot cup of cocoa. Oh, ow, ow. Okay, this is way too hot to drink right now. We're gonna save this for later. Finally, we have a kite. Okay, I like kites. Can you draw these 3 things so that we can remember what we have? Because I'm sure it's going to help us later on in the adventure. Can you draw a giant drill, a hot cup of cocoa, and a kite? I'll wait. A giant drill, a hot cup of cocoa, and a kite. All right, so why is Earth the only planet that we can live on? Well, there are a lot of reasons, but one of the most important ones is something called the Goldilocks zone. Can you say Goldilocks zone? Do you know the story of Goldilocks and the 3 Bears? When she comes across the porridge, what happens? One bowl is too hot, one bowl is too cold, and one is just right. That's how our Earth is in the solar system. It's in the exact right spot to support life. If the Earth were further from the sun, it would be too cold. And if the Earth were closer to the sun, it would be too hot. Where the Earth sits in the solar system is just right. This distance allows liquid water to exist, which is key for all of life that we know. Planets too close to the sun, like Venus, get scorched, or if they're too far from the sun, like Mars, everything freezes. All this talk of porridge and liquid water has made me kind of thirsty. Do we have something to drink? Oh, right! The cup of cocoa. Let's see if it cooled off. Oh no, it's too cold. I waited too long. It's not just right anymore. Oh well, we'll figure that out later. Okay, so we know that Earth is in the Goldilocks zone, which means it can support life. But there are also a couple of other really important pieces to this puzzle. Do you remember when we went to Mercury and we learned that it didn't really have an atmosphere? That's why it got so hot in the daytime and so cold at night. There were no gases in the air to regulate the temperature. Well, Earth does have an atmosphere. It has the exact perfect blend of gases to keep everything on Earth stable. It keeps temperatures comfortable, protects us from space rocks by burning up meteors, and it includes the ozone layer, which blocks harmful UV rays. We have oxygen to breathe, carbon dioxide for plants, and nitrogen to keep everything stable. This is why we have weather. Wind and rain, sunny days and cloudy days, it's all because of our atmosphere. Here, let's fly back down to the surface so we can learn more. It's a beautiful breezy day. I wonder if we have something that I could use to explain how the wind works. Oh, our kite! Let's see if we can get it up in the air. Have you ever flown a kite before? Well, here's how you do it. Hold it up and run into the wind. The wind will push against the kite, and if you let out the string little by little, up it goes! Just like magic, except it's really the wind doing all the work. Here's how it works. The sun shines on our planet, but it doesn't heat everything up evenly. The equator, where the sun hits more directly, gets hotter than the poles, the top and the bottom of the Earth. Warm air rises and cooler air rushes in to take its place. That rushing air is what we call wind. So when we fly this kite, we're actually using moving air created by sunlight and Earth's atmosphere. Pretty cool, huh? The kite's only flying because our atmosphere holds the air that's constantly on the move. Without it, there'd be no wind and no kite flying. Now, there's just one more important piece to the puzzle. One more big reason that Earth is the only planet that we can live on. The only problem is, we need to go underground for me to show you. And I want to go all the way underground. I'm talking the very center of the Earth. But, unfortunately, that is impossible to do. Nobody has ever been able to go down that deep into the Earth. Because it's so hot. If only we had a huge drill that could possibly attach to our heat-resistant spaceship, then maybe we'd be able to do it, but... What's that? Oh, right! We do have a big drill! Should we try to attach the mega drill to the front of the ship? Let's see. It's perfect! Okay, let's head inside and rev this thing up. Are you ready? Give me a countdown. 3, 2, 1. Buckle up, here we go! We're going through all the layers of the Earth on our way to the center, so hang on! We're moving through the crust. That's the outer shell of Earth. It's where we live. It might seem solid, but it's actually broken into pieces like a giant jigsaw puzzle. Those are called tectonic plates. They're slowly moving and bumping into each other. And that's what causes earthquakes. Ooh. Now we're in the mantle, and whoa, it's getting hot in here. This layer is made of super thick, gooey rock that flows very slowly, kind of like warm taffy. It moves and pushes around the plates above us. All right, hold on to your space helmets. We're heading into the outer core. This layer is liquid metal, mostly iron and nickel. And guess what? All this swirling, spinning liquid creates something amazing. Earth's magnetic field. Whoa. It's like an invisible force field that stretches out into space and protects us from harmful stuff coming from the sun. Without it, we'd be in big trouble. You see, the sun doesn't just shine warm light. It also sends out powerful energy in tiny particles called solar wind. If those blasted straight at Earth with nothing to stop them, they could hurt our skin, damage our power systems, or even blow away our atmosphere over time. But Earth's magnetic field, which comes from the swirling metal way down here in the outer core, it catches those dangerous particles and pushes them away. It's like a big invisible shield that wraps around the planet. And hang on. Whoa, we made it. The inner core. This is the very center of Earth. It's a giant ball of solid metal, even though it's thousands of degrees hot. How can something that hot be solid? Because the pressure down here is so strong. It squeezes the metal into a solid ball. It's amazing, isn't it? Okay, let's go back up to the surface. Oh, whoa, hang on, wait. I see something in the inner core that I hadn't noticed before. Oh, it looks like a space rock. Let's go get it.
Hello?
Who was that?
I'm the inner core.
Oh, wow. The inner core can talk in our imagination. Okay, cool. Can we have that space rock, the inner core?
If you can answer my questions, then yes.
Oh, great. Okay. Well, we're ready. What you got for us?
True or false? Earth is the third planet from the sun.
Ooh, okay. Is Earth the third planet from the sun? We're gonna go with true. Mercury is first, Venus is second, and Earth is number 3.
Correct! Next, true or false? Earth is too close to the sun for life to survive.
What do you guys think? We're gonna go with false. Earth is in the Goldilocks zone. Not too hot, not too cold. It's perfect for life.
That is correct! True or false? Our atmosphere helps create wind, protect us from the sun's rays, and gives us air to breathe.
What do you guys think? We're gonna go with true. The atmosphere does all of that and more. It's one of the biggest reasons that we can live here on Earth.
That is correct! Next, true or false? The magnet field comes from the center of the Earth and helps protect us from solar wind.
Oh, we just learned this one. What do you guys think? Is there a magnetic field that comes from the center of the Earth and it helps protect us from solar wind? We're going with true. It's made in the outer core by spinning liquid metal, and it keeps us safe from dangerous space particles.
That is correct! One more! True or false? You could fly a kite on Mercury.
Ooh, okay. I know you can fly a kite on Earth, but could you fly a kite on Mercury? We're gonna say false. No air equals no wind equals no kite flying. You need an atmosphere like Earth's for that.
That is correct! You are worthy of the space rock.
All right, we got the space rock. This is great.
Except, there's one more thing.
What is it?
I'm really thirsty. It's hot down here. Do you have something cold to drink?
Oh! Can we give him the cold cocoa? You can have the cold cocoa.
Oh, that sounds like a great trade.
Here you go. And thank you. All right, we got the space rock. Let's head back up to the surface and then back up to space. Here we go! All right, let's add the third space rock and perfect. Just 7 more to go. Well, we've explored 3 of our 8 planets so far, but I don't think there's any contest. Earth is the best planet. Earth is the most beautiful Earth is spectacular. If you really think about all of the systems that have to work just right for humans and animals and plants to all keep existing, it's amazing. Hey, before we say goodbye, do you want to do a quick trip around the Earth? In a normal rocket ship, it might take 90 minutes to go around the Earth, but our ship, it can fly all around the solar system, so it's way faster. I want to see all of the Earth's beauty from above before we end this adventure. Are you ready? Let's go! Hold on tight! We're starting our journey high above the United States. Look down. See all those green forests and beautiful mountains and winding rivers? That big one down there is the Mississippi River. And look, there's the Great Smoky Mountains. Now we're flying over the Atlantic Ocean. Look at all that deep blue water. It goes on forever. And just ahead, there's the coast of Africa. Do you see the golden sands of the Sahara Desert? It's the largest hot desert in the world. Now we're passing over the rainforest of Central Africa, so green and full of life. Millions of trees and animals and plants all living together in one big leafy neighborhood. Coming up next is the Himalayas. Those snowy peaks are the tallest mountains on Earth. That one right there, that's Mount Everest. It sticks up like a giant frozen tooth. Now we're flying over Australia. Check out the red earth and bright blue coastline. You might even spot the Great Barrier Reef under the waves. It's like a rainbow underwater. Next up is Antarctica. Look at all that ice. It's freezing down there, but the penguins love it. Wave to the penguins as we say bye. Now we're zooming up the other side, past South America, with the thick green Amazon rainforest and the twisty Andes Mountains. And finally, back up towards North America. There's the Grand Canyon, the Rocky Mountains, the Great Lakes. Earth is beautiful. Blue oceans, green forests, sandy deserts, snowy mountains. It has everything. And best of all, it has us, humans who can think and ask questions and explore. We still haven't found life anywhere else except for our planet. It makes me so grateful to be here. What kind of question do you think we'll ask tomorrow on Curious Kids Every Day? I can't wait to find out. So until then, keep asking questions and stay curious, kids. And for all the grown-ups listening, thank you so much for telling other parents about this show. I have done very little to promote it or market it, so the fact that it continues to grow every single week must mean that there are people out there telling their friends, so thank you so much. Please visit CuriousKidsEveryday.com to get a free printable with activity ideas that don't involve screens. Those are the best kinds of adventures to have. That's CuriousKidsEveryday.com. See you tomorrow.